Hello guys, today I am gonna unbox my new Fuggler. But first we have to 100 subscribers. Thank you really so much for the support. You are the best community. Yesterday we only had 199 subscribers, but today we already have to 100 subscribers. But let us now unbox the Fuggler. Are you ready for your new friend?
Yes, I am ready.
So let's open him. Look at him, he's so nice. And now they are best friends, but now they are even cheekier. And it's from Laboratory Misfits. My Fugglers and me, thank you so much for the support. Bye guys. Have a nice day.